to make the shelf smart. So first of all, I would like to thanks to the group admin Prashant Kalluri sir for giving me the opportunity to share my thoughts, share my ideas on the group. And also I would like to thanks to each and every one of you for your showing your interest to know about this service and how to implement this service at your library. And you are interested to know more about this service by taking hands-on session. So basically, I already shared the details of how to proceed further and how to implement this technology in your library. But many of them are not very much aware about this, what we can say, the smart shelf. And they have insisted me and they have requested me that we need to have the practical demonstration type session for these smart shelves. So today I am going to demonstrate you how we have implemented this smart shelf in our CKT college library. So I will going to show you one by one. Basically, we are using in our library, we are using iSlim library software. You might have using different type of software. There may be a Slim, Sol, Libex, or any OHA also. So whichever is the software you are using, that is not a matter. But just you check it out whether your software is going to give you the report on shelf. Means location wise report need to be generated through your software. If it is there in your software, then only you can able to link the shelf through this NFC. Okay. In this smart shelf system, we have used NFC tools, and I personally would like to highlight that I have used the MyFair smart card. For RFID purposes, many libraries are using smart cards for their student identity card and library card. And you might have aware about that the MyFair smart card, RFID based smart card. So I'm using this same MyFair 1K MyFair smart card for this smart shelves. And I would like to share my screen just a minute so you can see that how we have implemented it. You can see that on your screen. I am showing you one identity card. Yes. Okay. Thank you. So this is my mobile camera. I'm showing you through this my mobile camera. This is our identity card, student identity card of this last academic year, and this is the MyFair 1K smart card we are using for the student identity card. Okay, this is the card. Let me enroll some participant first. Wait a moment. Okay, so this card we are using for this NFC purposes. So how do we use that? That I would like to show you. Wait a moment. I am just stop this video. I'm going to share my mobile screen. Now you can see that my mobile screen, right? Please thumb up because I don't know whether you are able to see that my mobile screen or not. So dear friend, professional friends here, you need to have the NFC tool in your mobile. Please make sure that you have the NFC tool in your mobile. Okay. So by default, I have the NFC. You can see that on your screen. The NFC is there. I have just enabled it. Okay. Because unless and until having the NFC in your mobile phone, you can't read those NFC smart cards or NFC tag. Got it? So I have just enabled this NFC option. You can see that on your screen, NFC is there. I have just enabled it. Okay. So now we need to have the NFC tools also. So again, I have installed one more software that is called NFC Task. Okay, you can see that on my screen. NFC Task is there. I'm clicking on that. Okay, this is open now, NFC Task. So in that NFC stack, I have the options to write my smart card. okay, or configure that smart card or code that smart card as per my choice. Okay, so here I'm going to click on the configure your task. Okay, so here they are asking about the feedback. I'm not going to give the feedback right now, later. I do have the NFC Tool Pro, that is again paid version, 149 rupees only for lifetime. You can also purchase this from Google Play Store or any other software. Not necessary that you need to have this only. There are many software available on the Play Store, Google Play Store, and Mac also. As per your choice, you can download any one of that NFC tool. I have purchased this NFC Tool Pro in 149 rupees. And here you can see that there is an option called read, write, others, and tasks, right? So I'm going to tap my, just a moment. Okay, I'm going to tap my smart card to my mobile phone. Okay, just now I have tapped it. Okay, so you can see that the information is stored by default in MyFair Classic 1K is display on my screen. You can see that smart card is read by the NFC tool, which is by default available in my mobile phone. And on my screen, now it is whatever information is there, whatever configuration we have in that smart card is display on your screen. Okay, the tag type is ISO. Okay, then it is NXP MyFair Classic 1K card. We also have another type of what we can say that smart card we have, that is also I will going to show you. Then again, here you can see that technologies available under this smart card. Then serial number of that smart card, particular serial number. Through that serial number, I would like to highlight in this meeting that through that serial number only, we are managed to get the footfall from the students. We have separate RFID device for this footfall mechanism. So through this serial number, we have coded this serial number to that student name and his or her details, class name and other details that is printed on his identity card. And automatically we are getting the footfall also. So again, there is a ATQA, then SAC, memory information. Okay, it is 1K bytes card, data format, size, then whether the card is writable or not. Okay, here mention is yes. And again, there is an option called can be made read only. So there is by default option no. And record that I have store in that card. Okay, you can see that the record as I already store in that card, that is display on your screen. And total records we have in this NFC tools. Okay, so here we have another option called write. I'm clicking on the write button. So here you have again add records and more options. Then again other options. In other options, we have the copy tag, copy to infinity, erase tag, lock tag, read memory, format memory, set password. You can also set the password also. So that is option. This option is also available in the NFC. Remove password plus. Here I would like to highlight that if you once set the password, there is no other option to remove that password. Please remember that. So don't go for this set password. Okay. Then there is an option called task. So here we have add the task. Under the add task, we have various options called networks, sound and media, display configuration, application, phone, file operation, various routes, and conditional block. Okay. So here I'm using the applications. Okay. Under the application, again, I have the another options, few options called application, launch the app, URL, open an URL, run a shortcut, and likewise. Okay. So here I'm using the option called URL. Okay. So this is where you have to paste your bookshelf file link. Okay. If you have the separate link file, then same we have to copy it and you have to paste it here. Then only you can able to recollect the data through this NFC card. Okay. So now I'm going to open my WhatsApp. On my WhatsApp, I have shared one file. Let's say this is the file. I'm copied from that. WhatsApp, and again I'm opening the NFC tool. Okay, so here I'm going to paste the link. Okay, and again I have to click on the OK button. I have to click on the OK. Okay, so now you can see that under the right there is one URL. So this URL must be open when I am going to tap the smart card through my mobile phone. Okay, this URL will be open. What task I have added? Whenever I am going to tap on the smart card, the following links should be open through this NFC tool. So how do I write this link into my smart card? So there is a button called write 136 bytes. Okay, I have to click on that right button. I'm going to click on that. So here you can see that approach and NFC tag. Okay, so again, I'm going to touch this student ID card to my mobile phone. Okay, just I have touched it. After touching that identity card to my mobile phone, you can see that write complete. Okay, so I'm going to click on the OK button. Done. So now I'm closing this NFC tool. Writing part is done. Whatever link I have pasted it, that is code under the NFC tool. Okay, and now I'm again going to tap the smart card on my, just a moment. Yes. So this is the card that I have shown you earlier, student identity card, right? So this card again, I'm going to tap through my mobile phone. Okay. So let's see, when I'm going to tap the card, I'm putting my, I have to switch off the video first. I'm going to share the screen. I would like to share the screen. Wait a moment. Screen. Yes. So I'm tapping the card to my mobile phone. Just I have tapped it on my mobile phone. Now you can see that on screen there is an option Chrome. So I'm going to click on that Chrome option. Once I click it on that, one file is opening. You can see that shelf number 51. I'm going to click on that download button and I'm opening the file. So here you can see that shelf number 51 books are displayed on your screen. Shelf number 651. You can see that, right? So this is how I have write the NFC card through this NFC tools only. So here on that 651 shelf, we have total 71 books. Okay. Now next thing is, how do I shoot that video that I have already shared with you all? So let me again stop my sharing, screen sharing, and I would like to on my video so I can show you how we have did it. Wait a moment. So here you can see that the shell number I have showed to you in my video 652, right? 652, right? So you can see that behind that shell, there is only sticker. This is the paper sticker. Okay. So behind that shell, we have stick the smart card. You can see that, yes or no? Please reply.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So this is how we have pasted the smart card behind that 652. Okay, this is 652. One more, that is 651. Here also we have pasted one smart card. You can see that there is one more smart card. So there is a difference between this both the smart card. First is completely, that is I am using that MyFair 1K card, and this one is completely different. You can see that this is the N tag 213, right? and frequency also mentioned, memory also mentioned. So these two types of card we have in our library, and accordingly you can use it whatever card you have or whatever according to your budgets, because costing is also involved for purchase this smart card. Okay, so behind that shelf you have kept this pasted this smart card. So there is one more thing is there. When we are pasting it on the shelf, behind that shelf, so if it is, just a moment, I am stopping my video and sharing my screen once again. Screen. Okay, so now I'm going to tap on my, what you can say that the 652. Let me start the video also. Just a moment. This is the video and this is the screen. No, video and sharing is not possible at a time. So let me stop the screen sharing and just on the video only. So here only we have just tap here on that 652 mobile phone, and after tapping on that, let me share with you the screen what is happening. Okay, so you can see that on my screen 652 again. I'm opening that file. Yes, this is the 652 shell. Okay, the report is available after tapping on that shell. Have you got it? Just a moment. So as I mentioned that we have using two type of smart cards. One is 1K MyFair card and another is which I have just shown to you. These two types, two smart card we are using, but there is a limitation of each and every smart card. Please remember, whenever I am going to use the 1K MyFair card, there is no problem to tap on that shelf behind the wood. There is a wooden shelf we have, and it can be catch behind the wood also. Please remember. But if you are using other than 1K MyFair card, then there is a tapping issue. We are not able to tap and we are not able to read the tag if it is not 1K MyFair card. Got it? So please ensure that whenever you are going to implement this system, you need to have the 1K MyFair card. Then only you will have very proper result that I am getting it right now. So this is how we have implemented the smart shell. This is just initiated. We have just initiated this process, and within a month, each and every shell will be smart enough within just 1 month only. So we do purchase the smart card first, and we are also using the last year identity card of the students, because those are the 1K MyFair card only. So right now, if you have any query, you can ask me and I can able to resolve your queries. Meeting will be end soon because it is a free version I am using right now. If it is end, please join again by clicking same link. Yes, yeah, if you have any query, I can answer your queries.
So there is one question. What is the cost of MyFair 1K smart card? Hello.
Okay, okay. I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Madam, it's only 8 rupees or 7 rupees if you order in bulk.
Bulk means how many books?
Minimum 1000.
7 rupees per book.
Yes.
Okay. And what you will do in this 7 rupees? All data you can enter, or you just give the chips?
No, we have to add the record. We have to write that card. Right now, just I am sure. Just now, I have showed to you all of you that how I have write the card. You have to have the report in your system. The report link need to be integrated with this NFC smart card.
Okay. Each book we have to paste the chip, no?
No. There is inbuilt mechanism having in this card.
Okay, just one card for one shelf. Okay.
Yes. We can also rewrite also. If you want to have only particular section must be will be the smart shell. Then you can design accordingly. If you have more than in my library, we have more than 1,000 shell, and we have collection more than 1,15,000. So we don't have budget issue also. So we are able to implement for each and every shelf. But you can limit it within the shelf also. For initial stage, you can go for the 50 shelf or 100 shelf. So again, the budget issue will not be there because the card cost is there. Only card cost is there. Other things are not there.
What is the
You have to
card
pay
cost?
for the card only.
How much card cost?
It's completely depend upon you. How many shelf you want to have the smart shelf?
Cost is per shelf or per book, sir?
Per shelf, one card required.
Per shelf 7 rupees?
Yes.
Okay.
It is same like the RFID tag, madam. When we are going
Okay.
to implement the RFID in our library, we are completely spent on the RFID tag, right? For each and every book, we need to have the RFID tag. The tag
Yes.
costing is more than 11 to 12 rupees. If you are
Yes.
ordering the bulk, then you will get it on 10 rupees or 9 rupees. If it is more than 25,000.
Okay. But if
Okay, so
we have
likewise,
50 books, so one question. If we have 50 books in one rack, what is the cost
okay,
of that?
only
7
7
rupees
rupees
or
can be also
15?
purchased.
Only 7 rupees. Okay. Right.
Yes, sir. Only per shelf we are
Understood, sir.
using one card.
Yes. And 7 rupees per shelf.
Something.
Yes. So you have to calculate it how many shelf are there in the library. And first step, you can go for the pilot run and convert the smart shelf at least minimum 50. So that is for the pilot run. And if it is successful run, then you can go for the each and every shelf.
So minimum how many shelf are required?
It's completely depend upon your policy.
Okay.
If you don't have the budget issue and you are getting the sanction from the higher authority, then you can go for each and every shelf.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes,
Okay,
madam.
sir. Thank you so much.
So I just want to know that NFC, you said it's a free version. So how long you can use this free version, sir?
Free also available, madam. I will share you the screen just a moment.
No, free
sharing
is
the screen.
how long and for how many record we can use the free version?
There is no limitations.
Okay, so you're using the paid version, right?
I have shared the screen. So you can see that on my screen, NFC Reader Plus, one more application is there.
Yeah.
I'm clicking on that. Okay, it's now opening. Yeah, this is the NFC Reader Plus. This is the free version I am using. I already have the paid version. There are many versions available for NFC tools. So this is having the advertise, this NFC Plus.
Okay. So
Okay,
what
this
is
is a
your
reader also
suggestion?
and writer also. Sorry.
What is your suggestion? Can we go for, like 3,000 books, the free version?
Yes, you can.
Okay. So smart card should come, before installation.
Smart card, yeah, smart card number completely depend upon your shelf. That is
Yeah.
not depend upon your number of books. Please remember.
Yeah, thank you. Very good initiative. Thank you for sharing.
Yes. Thank you, madam.
5 रॅक आहेत त्यांना 6 कप्पे आहेत आणि 6 आहेत त्यांना 5 आहेत दुसरे आहेत 11 रॅक आहेत बघा ते.
Yes, if you have any query or any doubt, you can ask me because the meeting will be going to be end
त्यांना 5 आहे
within a 1 minute or 1 or 2 minutes.
110,000
We will
आणि ती रॅक
continue it for the another 15-16 minutes.
एक आहे ते lहान आहे.
Okay.
You can
So if
rejoin the
there-
meeting by clicking on the same link.
Okay, if there is any other question, I just want to request to repeat again. Like it is connected to our
Sorry.
information software, right? Will you explain?
आणि
beginning you
पाठीमागचं
said
टाकलेलं
what
आहे.
software needed
Sorry, I
and
am
how.
not getting it, madam.
त्या दोन बिंदू मार्ग आहे.
Hello, Dr. Ramakant.
Please. Yes, madam.
Will you repeat the beginning introduction you said about the software, how you're linking, like the URL, the OPEC URL you are using, the what URL that you pasted on this?
Okay. I will show it to you. After finishing this meeting, please join the meeting by clicking on same link, and I will show you once again.
So you are having another meeting with this same link?
Same link, because this is a 40 minutes meeting. Free version we are using for this Zoom meeting. So it will be finished within the 40 minutes. There is a time limit. So
So
after
same
40
password we
minutes,
can use, same URL,
same link. I'm just going to start the meeting immediately after.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, sir.
Wait a moment, madam. Wait a moment. Just rejoin the meeting because it's going to be end up soon.
Okay.
There is only less than 1 minute. Wait for a few minutes.
End the meeting and again start the meeting. Besides waiting for 1 or 2 minutes,